In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Freepik AI tool to generate stunning AI images. So Freepik is one of the best AI tools you can use out there, and the good thing is they have a free plan that allows you to generate your images. So the first thing you need to do is to go to freepik.com here, and from this you can see we have AI image generator. So I'll choose AI image generator, and this will take us to this dashboard where we can begin our generation. Now, to begin your generation, go ahead and paste your prompt here. For instance, we are told here, describe your image. So I'll go ahead and paste here my prompt. Alternatively, you can also upload your image if you have it or you want this tool to follow. If you have a specific image that you want to use as a prompt, then under the mode, we shall use the Flux mode, and this will generate faster. We have quite a number of modes that you can use, and we shall use Flux 1.0, which is one of the best modes that you can generate our images in. So leave it at that. Now for the rest, I'll leave them as they are. Then I'll come here to select the number of images I want to generate by each prompt. And for this, you can choose 4, or you can reduce to 2, or even 1. So I'll go with 2. Then before you generate, make sure you choose the aspect ratio. This is the format in which your images should be generated. If you want a portrait size, go ahead and choose 9:16. But if you want landscape, go ahead and choose 16:9. And if I click on it, you can see we have those aspect ratios that are available. If you want a square one, we have here 1:1. You can also select it. So I'll leave it at 16:9, which is widescreen. And this is what we're going to generate: a solar system with variant colored planets and exotic atmospheres, depicted in science fiction style, HD 4K vivid color, HDR effect, color palette illusion, photo 3D render, vibrant portrait photography. So I'll go ahead and tap on generate. Then this tool will go ahead and begin the generation, and as you can see it in real time. And look at that, our generation is done. If we tap on the image, you can see here it is. It is quite stunning and a beautiful image. We have also this, the second image. Look at that, very vivid image and very high quality. Now, once you have generated your image, it's time to download. To download, there are 2 ways you can download. First, if you hover over the image, you will see a download option here. If you tap on it, you can now choose free download if you are using a free plan, and this is for personal use only. Go, and that will go straight to your computer. Alternatively, you can also download it by just tapping on it like this, and then you will see again the download option here. If we tap on it, and then here choose the style or the format, you can either download in PNG or JPEG. So I'll choose PNG and then download, and it will again come to our computer. And now here you can also see your previous creations. This tool stores your previous creations so that each and every time you want to find them, you can also find them. Alternatively, you can use this history function here to expose or to see all your previous generations. Should you want maybe to reuse your image, you can use this option called reuse. And if you use it, you can see you can reuse either your prompt, reimage, style reference, or even a video and mockup. And if you tap on it, you will still be able to see the prompt that you used previously. It is here, and you can now retry or reimage the prompt as you wish. If you're not comfortable with the image that was produced, you can go ahead and either retry the prompt or reimage the prompt. If I retry the prompt, this will go ahead and give us an opportunity to make another generation. And if we tap on generation, it will go ahead and regenerate our prompt. And look at that, this is a regenerated image using the same prompt. So that's how you can use Freepik to generate AI images. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.